Alright, guess what we're doing?
We're making bridges!
Alright guys, check this out.
Ready?
So that started out without the support system underneath it, but it started to sag. And then we decided we wanted the train to be a full loop, so we built this support structure over here.
And then
just let it be.
And then we replaced the manufacturer's bridge with our aftermarket gumdrop bridge.
Ready?
Alright, let's see it. Here we go.
Hold on.
3,
My video ready.
2,
1.
go!
Go!
Choo choo.
Oh, there's the first bridge. Oh, it fixed it. It's got it. Going across the extension. Now will it make it up the gumdrop hill?
Come on.
Oh!
Hey guys, my name's James.
And I'm Ashley.
Last year we sold our house and we're traveling across the country with our kids.
Hi, my name's Goose, and this is Maverick. Come join us!
Alright girls, what are we doing?
I have no idea. We're playing game!
We're playing again. We finished our schoolwork, so Mav is being allowed to play ABC Mouse, which she's actually doing awesome.
Mouse.
Let me see. What are you doing?
This is not
Did you just
ABC
move
Mouse.
2? Oh, it's not. It's still a learning game though.
Yeah.
Alright, what's next? What?
This. What?
How many is that?
3.
Yay!
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted. And I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now, 'cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this.
Okay guys, I am super excited about this map I've been working on. As you guys saw, I've been putting together this map from photos from our travels all over the country. It is perfect for people like us who are traveling around. I'm really stoked that Thunder Bunny Labs, weirdest name ever, but they make a super cool product, reached out to us and asked if we'd be interested in checking it out. So I said sure, because it looked amazing, and it is. I am very excited not only to have it as a decoration, but also I am in charge of teaching Goose geography, and I think this is going to be the perfect tool to help her associate these memories of our travels to specific states, which will help, I think, make it so much easier to not only remember where these states are located within the country, but also what makes them unique, different attributes about them. Because I know me growing up as a kid, I may have known the states, Texas and Nebraska, whatever, South Dakota, but I didn't really know what the environments were like. I didn't know what they had to offer. And now she's not only got these travels that we've been doing for years, but she has the locations and the memories associated together. So I'm very excited to use this map not only as a decoration, but as a homeschooling tool as well. So one of the things I want to do with this, love, is I want to use this for part of our geography. So now how normally we look at a map and I'm like asking you questions about like what's north of South Dakota or what's south of Oregon. Well, what I want to do is use this map. Why are you making weird faces? I want to use this map to help with that, because that way you can see the pictures and not only remember what we did there, but what the state is called. So let's do our first geography lesson, yeah? Oh, school. Let's try it, okay?
I just finished.
Come on, let's try it. Okay, where is Oregon? We'll start easy. Where's Oregon?
Really?
Good job, right there. What is east of Oregon?
Idaho.
Good job. What is south of Colorado?
South.
What state is it?
New Mexico.
Yeah, high five. All right, that's just a quick taste of, I think, what we're gonna start doing. So what again was your favorite pictures? Your favorite places?
Michigan and,
Another M one.
Missouri.
Good, high five. All right. What about you, Mav? What's your favorite?
That one.
That one? Texas, because you got to feed the deer?
Texas and Texas and Louisiana.
Very nice. All right, guys, if you want to check out some of the other maps that Thunder Bunny Labs makes, you guys can check out the link down below. Plus, we have an exclusive CHICKSLIFE $10 off coupon. So if you use the promo code CHICKSLIFE, you guys can get $10. You guys can get $10 off your next order. If you do end up getting something, send me a picture on or DM me on Instagram or something like that, because I'd be really curious to see how yours looks. RV life with kids, guys.
We've spotted 11 bird nests.
What kind of birds do you think they are?
Blue jays,
Oh, okay.
red jays.
What about you, Mel?
Yeah.
Oh, you see another one?
Uh-huh.
Oh my goodness. So what are your guys' guesses? Where do you think we're going?
That, you know that, like, guys, do you know that, like, drive-thru that you go to? And then you see, like, lights dangling
Christmas
down?
lights?
Yeah.
You think that's what we're doing?
are.
Yeah.
That would be pretty cool.
Cool,
What
but
about you, Mab?
really bright
Where do you
out.
think we're going?
Picture.
On an adventure?
Uh-huh.
Good job, you're right. We are going on an adventure. You can't lie, she's right.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
Where we at?
Zoo.
What?
And if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Alright, so mommy brought this along and I made you your own schoolwork for today. So we're gonna learn about habitats and how animals survive in the habitat that they're in, okay?
Do you
So
remember
do you remember what a
is?
habitat is? What?
Where they live.
Where they live. So we're gonna talk about what is their habitat, okay? And one interesting fact about the animal, and then you get to draw a picture about it, okay?
I've said it before, but I'll say it again. Ash is very good at turning adventures and outings into homeschool lessons. Nice job, babe.
Oh, thanks.
Aren't you glad your mommy's good at doing this? Wouldn't you rather be... She's like, what? Way better than sitting at home doing paperwork. All right, so what, do you get to pick the animal, or did mommy pick the animal for you? Oh, mom already picked it for you? Okay. Well, which animal is in the Great Northwest? What animal are we doing up here?
Black bears.
Black bears? Okay, let's go find the black bears. Oh, good job. Nice job. All right, what's question number 2?
What do they have to help them survive the climate they live in?
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
What is this? Is that how their skin feels?
I think.
That's pretty cool. What is it?
It's elephant.
How many do you see?
One.
Just one?
Elephants are on my list.
Asian elephants, do you remember, are those the bigger or the smaller of the elephants?
Smaller.
That's great. Do you
Do they have
remember
bigger
any
ears
other?
or smaller ears?
Smaller.
They just finished the remodel on the elephant enclosure a year or two ago. I really love what they did to it. Not that it was bad before, but it's pretty amazing what they have now. Like you have this bridge where you can go over the top and kind of look both ways as they go underneath you. It probably tripled the amount of space they had to wander around, so I'm sure they enjoy it way better too. What?
Cheetahs.
You want? Well, cheetahs is in where? What country?
Africa.
Africa. So we're not in Africa yet. So let's see what you do. Pull harder. You're not moving it.
I think that's
Pull harder.
Go.
Harder. Come on. Pretend you're that elephant with that trunk. Pull.
I think this handle will be better.
Oh, almost. Okay, you can cheat. Use two hands. Even though an
I want to see
elephant.
how far it goes.
Go pull.
I want to just wait. Let me see how far.
So she's supposed to be moving that crate like an elephant would by pulling the rope with one hand, like their trunk.
As far as it goes, Dad. You try.
Here we go. There it is. I did it.
Not all the way, Dad.
Dad, no, right. Both right. 1, 2, 3, those ones. It's over
How many
there.
lions? We have 1, 2, 3, and then 1 boy. So we got 4 lions.
Yeah.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People
So I know what you guys are probably all thinking. It's impossible for you to go to the zoo and do any of those types of adventures because of all of the lockdowns and whatnot because of COVID-19. I get it. However, that doesn't mean that you can't make homeschooling fun since, you know, we're all kind of homeschool parents at this point in time. A lot of the times, if I know that we're going to go be doing something and I can make it educational, I try. Like, just trying to make everything a learning experience, making sure that you're always having your kids thinking, problem solving, looking at the world in a different perspective. I feel like that's really important, and that's what I try to do with Goose and Maverick. So some of the things that we have done while on lockdown and only able to be here is we made stained glass windows out of my parents' sliding glass doors. We have made catapults. We have done mummy apples. Everybody was sad because we couldn't go out to a restaurant to celebrate. I don't remember what. And so we had, for her lesson for the day, Goose had to come up with recipes and make a full menu, and it was her restaurant, and she absolutely loved it. Just creating little things so that it's not just busy work and paperwork that they're doing. Providing opportunities where your kids can have hands-on experiences is as valuable as having that paperwork and that memorization. So I know that James has made a playlist on Instagram of the different Insta stories I have made of our activities. So if you need ideas, your kids are restless and you just want something for them to do, go ahead and head over there, check them out. I have also always been able to find something on Pinterest when I'm in a pinch and I need something fun and exciting. Pinterest has been my saving grace. But mostly it's just trying to think of what it is that I would want to do if I were a kid. Would I want to just do this paperwork, or if there's something really cool that could help me understand it along with the paperwork, would I enjoy that as well? So just kind of putting myself in their shoes, I guess. That is it for today. I hope you guys are all staying safe and staying positive. And life is really an adventure right now. So go outside and play in your yard and make some memories, I guess, because you can't really go out, but make memories.